Hi guys, welcome to another cooking video. In today's video, I will show you guys how I make this pepper liver assorted. If you are interested, continue watching and let's get started. So guys, in my bowl here, I have some liver and other parts of the stomach. I'll be cutting them into a bite size. I'm going to be marinating them with some garlic, ginger, rosemary, salt, and some beef stock. Then I will leave it to marinate for about 15 minutes. Here are the vegetables. I'll be using some dehydrated bell peppers, dehydrated tomato, some scotch bonnet, red bell pepper, and some dry chili pepper. I have some onions, rosemary, ginger, garlic, Maggi cubes, salt, and I'm going to blend everything together. First, I'm going to be soaking the dehydrated bell peppers. Here are my vegetables. I've cleaned up all the vegetables and I'm going to blend everything together with my food processor because I don't want them to be too smooth. That is why I'm using my food processor. I'm going to be using sunflower oil for this recipe. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. I'll give it a nice stir, then I'll allow it to cook for 5 minutes. I'll add Maggi, thyme, then I'll give it a nice stir. I'll allow it to cook for some minutes. I'm going to be taking some of the pepper sauce. I will set it aside. Maybe I will need it later because I don't want the pepper sauce to overshadow the meat. So I'm adding the meat now. I will stir everything together. Then I'll cover it. I will allow it to cook for about 20 minutes with a low heat. I'm going to cover it, then I will allow it to cook. And I'm not going to add any single water. As you can see, the meat has released its own stock. And if you want your meat to release a lot of stock, you need to cook it with a medium heat. And I'm not going to add any water. I'm just going to cook the meat with its own stock until the meat is done. I'm going to be adding some salt. Salt is the last thing I like adding to my food because I don't want my food to be too salty. So I'll give it a nice stir, then I'll cover it for another 5 minutes to cook. Our pepper liver is almost ready, guys. I'm just going to give it a nice stir. Then I'll be garnishing it with some chopped onions and some bell peppers to give it that beautiful look. I'm just going to mix everything together, then it's done. Thank you so much. If you have watched to this minute, I really appreciate. This recipe is really delicious. You can make it for your friends and you can share this recipe with your family. You can just make this during the festive period. It's really good for the family. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, set the notification bell to all, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like what you see, and share it with your friends and family. My pepper assorted liver is ready to be served. I'm going to be enjoying it with my family, so you too can make your own, enjoy it as well with your family. Please let me know in the comment section how your own comes out, because I don't want to praise it too much. You just need to try it for yourself and confirm it. So guys, at this point I'm going to leave you, and I will see you in my next video with another delicious recipe. You guys know in this channel we make a lot of delicious recipe, Italian recipes, African recipes. So that is why you need to hit that notification bell so that you not mix all these delicious recipe that I'm going to be uploading on my channel. Thank you so much. Stay safe, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Ciao.